Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to insert header and footer in Excel. Friends, by the help of this option you can very easily add page number, date or logos on the top or bottom of every page. Now on your computer screen, as you can see, there is a table. Now to insert header or footer, I simply need to go to Insert tab, and here you will find the option of adding header and footer. Now friends, as you can see, after clicking on header and footer option, this header row is visible and also you can see the footer row. So here you can simply add page number or date or time, etc. I just show you. Now when you click on this header, you will find the header and footer tool. Now when you click on this header option, you will find the header and footer tool. Under header and footer tool, you will find the option to add page number. I just show you. Now I have added page number option. Now I will see page number on the top of every page. This is my second page. Now this is my third page. So like this you can also add time and other options. Now from here you can add current date. Now date is also viewable on the top of every page. To increase its appearance, you can add page before every page number. Now it will show page number 1, page number 2 and page number 3. So it looks more better to add page before page number. Also you can add all this option in the footer also. Now it will show page number in the bottom of every page. So friends, like this you can very easily use this footer and header option. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.